Hire bill generation. Hire bill generation is the process of creating and managing invoices for hired vehicles used in business operations. It ensures accurate billing based on the vehicle usage period, working hours, kilometers traveled, and any additional charges or deductions. Searching for vehicles. To search and filter vehicles for billing, navigate to the Hire Bill Generation page. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter search criteria such as vehicle code, vehicle number, or vehicle type. The system displays a results table with the following details: vehicle code, vehicle number, vehicle name, vehicle type, vehicle basis, billing basis, hourly, tonly, monthly. Click on a vehicle code to proceed to the Hire Vehicle Bill View page. Viewing and modifying the hire bill. To review and update billing details before submission. After selecting a vehicle, the Hire Vehicle Bill View page appears. The following fields are displayed: bill number, unique identifier for the bill. Name of the party, client being billed. PAN card number. For tax purposes. Vehicle name, name/model of the vehicle. Mailing address, billing address. Vehicle type. Equipment code, internal code for equipment/vehicle. Vehicle basis, billing type, hourly/monthly. In the Hire Bills view, click on Add Vehicle to be redirected to the Hire Vehicle Bill Details page. It displays the vehicle number, period to date, number of loads, tons, amount, cumulative kilometer, working kilometer, and cumulative amount. Select the vehicle and click Submit to add it to the bill. After adding, the total amount will be auto-calculated based on selected vehicle details and rate/hour. Adding billing particulars. To enter and review billing amounts, fill in the particulars section. Hour, enter the number of hours the vehicle was used. Rate/hour. The hourly rate for the vehicle is auto-generated after entering the particulars and other details. Total amount, automatically calculated based on hours and rate. Bill date, enter the bill generation date. Add additional charges. Driver's allowance, BATA. Enter BATA and click Submit to add it to the bill. After adding BATA, the TDS amount is auto-generated based on BATA and TDS percentage. Spare charges redirects to the vehicle position page for further details. There is a checkbox available. Select it to add the charge to the bill. On that page, the vehicle number, status, own or hire, material quantity, material name, material price, amount, and total amount will be displayed. After selecting spares, the amount will be auto-generated, which means spares amount is generated. Applying deductions and additional charges. To apply tax deductions and other charges. TDS deductions. TDS percentage, example, 10%. TDS deduction amount, calculated based on the percentage. Additional charges. Maintenance reason and charges, specify any maintenance-related deductions. Reason for deduction, explanation for any deductions applied. Other deductions, miscellaneous deductions. The system calculates the total amount and the balance payable after deductions. Submitting the hire bill. To complete the bill generation process, the prepared by field auto-populates with the responsible person's details. Review all entered details to ensure accuracy. Click the Submit button to move the bill to the branch approval stage. Hire bill approval, branch. The branch reviews and either approves or rejects the hire bill. The submitted bill moves to the hire bill approval, branch stage. The branch reviews the bill details. The branch can either approve the bill, moves to head office approval. Reject the bill. Hire bill approval, head office, CHO. The final review and approval of the hire bill. Once the branch approves, the bill is forwarded to HO. The HO conducts the final review. HO can either approve the bill, finalizes the bill and triggers payment processing. Reject the bill. Final stage, completion of hire bill process. To finalize and process the hire bill for payment. After HO approval, the hire bill is forwarded to hire bill's approval. This is the final stage. The payment process is initiated. To understand this process practically, consider a real-world example. Suppose a construction company hires a crane for site operations. The billing team searches for the crane by entering its vehicle number in the system. They select the crane, add hire charges based on hours worked, include driver allowances, BATA, and apply any necessary deductions. Once verified, they submit the hire bill for branch approval. After branch and head office approvals, final stage is the hire bill's approval. The company finalizes the bill and processes payment, ensuring a seamless transaction. The process is now complete. Hire bill approval, branch. Hire bill approval, branch is a feature that allows users to review and approve hire bills related to different branches and vehicles. This ensures that all hire transactions are verified before processing payments. Selecting a branch. Locate the branch drop-down menu. Select the branch for which you want to review hire bills. The system will filter and display hire bills relevant to the selected branch. Viewing hire bill details. Each hire bill includes date, the date the hire bill was generated. Branch name, the location responsible for the bill. Vehicle name, the registered name of the hired vehicle. Vehicle type, the category of the vehicle. Company name, the entity associated with the hire. Bill number, a unique identifier for each bill. Approval and disapproval options, buttons to approve or reject the bill. To view full details of a hire bill, click on the bill number or vehicle number. This will open a detailed view of the hire transaction. Hire bill details breakdown. Understanding hire bill fields. The detailed hire bill view includes header information. Date, the date the bill was accessed. Bill number, the unique bill identification number. Party name, the customer or entity associated with the hire. Branch name, the responsible branch. Vehicle name and type, information about the hired vehicle. Equipment ID, the specific equipment identification number. Billing details table. Bill date, the date of service. Particulars, description of the service or item. Rate/HR, the hourly rate charged. Total amount, the total cost calculated. Additional charges. Others, BATA additional driver allowances or charges. Total, the total sum of all charges. Deductions. Material deductions, amount deducted for used/returned materials. TDS deductions, tax deducted at source, if applicable. Total amount, after deductions net payable amount. Maintenance and additional charges. Maintenance reason for maintenance charges. Maintenance charges, the cost of maintenance. Deduction reason, explanation for any applied deductions. Balance payable, final amount due. Prepared by. Prepared by, ID of the staff member who created the bill. Approving or disapproving higher bills. Approving a higher bill. After reviewing the bill details, locate the approval button. Click Approve to confirm and mark the bill as approved. The system will save the status and move the bill forward for further processing. Disapproving a higher bill. If the bill has discrepancies or missing details, click Disapprove. Now the next process is higher bill approval, HO.